In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Drive folder with users who do not have a Gmail account. This is a useful skill, especially if you work with a diverse team or share documents with people from other organizations. Let's dive in and make sharing as smooth and simple as possible. To get started, open up your browser and head over to Google's homepage. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to do that now to access your Google Drive. On the top right corner of the page, click on the Sign In button and enter your Google account credentials. It's important to make sure you're logged into the correct account that contains the folder you wish to share. Once you're signed in, look for the Gmail link at the top of the page and click on it to navigate to your Gmail dashboard. From here, we need to locate the Apps menu. It's represented by a grid icon, often referred to as the waffle icon, in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. Within this menu, you'll find a variety of Google services. Look for the Google Drive icon and click on it, which will allow you to access all your stored files and folders. Once you are in Google Drive, locate the folder you'd like to share. This is crucial as you want to ensure that you're sharing the correct content with the right people. Next, click on the folder to highlight it and look for the Share option. This can usually be found at the top right of the page or by right-clicking on the folder itself. Once you've clicked Share, a dialog box will appear. In the dialog box, you'll see an option to add people or groups to share the folder with. Here's where it gets interesting. Although Google Drive is part of the Google Suite, you can still share documents with users who don't have a Gmail account. In the Add People and Groups field, simply enter the non-Gmail email addresses of those you'd like to share the folder with. After you've entered the email addresses, you can set the preferences for what recipients can do. You can grant either viewing rights or editing rights. If you're sharing sensitive or collaborative documents, be sure to select the appropriate permissions to safeguard your work while enabling collaboration where necessary. Finally, click Send to share the folder. Your recipients will receive an email notification with a link to access the folder. Keep in mind they might need to access the files using a web interface rather than the Drive app, but they'll still have full access according to your settings. And there you have it, a concise way to share Google Drive folders, even with non-Gmail users. This flexibility ensures that collaboration isn't limited by the types of email accounts your collaborators have. Thank you for joining me today, and happy sharing.